right, we're continuing our tour of the muscles of the lower extremity with muscles that are innervated basically by the sacral sciatic nerve that are going to rotate the thigh, extend it, and extend the thigh. So let's start with one of the deep muscles, the piriformis. Piriformis, interesting muscle. Piriform means pear-shaped. I don't know where they get all the names from. But it originates on the anterior lateral surface of the sacrum and inserts, well, first it goes posteriorly and then inserts on the greater trochanter. So what is this muscle going to do? It will, interestingly, laterally rotate the hip. Since it goes the posterior path, when it contracts, the hip will rotate externally or laterally, and it will abduct the hip. Okay, so we can see that. Now let's see the muscle in situ. So we're looking for the pear-shaped muscle here and here. All right, hamstrings. 3 big muscles that we have to know. Biceps femoris. So we have biceps brachialis. So you do need two names. But biceps femoris, semitendinosus, and semimembranosus. Biceps femoris means 2 heads. Biceps. So there's a long head and a short head. And the semimembranosus, semitendinosus. So biceps femoris, origin, ischial tuberosity, and linea aspera. Insertion, head of the fibula, and lateral condyle of the tibia. So basically we are looking for muscles that are medial or lateral. That was the question. Medial or lateral? We're inserting on the fibula. So it'll be lateral. All right. So here's our long head of biceps femoris, and then the short. And on this model, our lateral view. So here's our long head, and oh yeah, because it's got the extra pin. And the short. What does it do? Flexes the knee. Right? We can see that. Extends the hip. And laterally rotates the hip. Because we've got a little bit of angle here. So we can laterally rotate. Semitendinosus. So that's like the twin of the bicep femoris. I call it that. It's not a twin. But semitendinosus originates on the ischial tuberosity, inserts on the proximal medial surface of the tibia near the insertion of the gracilis. All right. And that will also flex the knee, extend the hip, but now we have medial rotation instead of lateral rotation. And then semimembranosus originates same place, ischial tuberosity, inserts on the posterior surface of the medial condyle of the tibia. And that muscle will flex the knee, extend the hip, and medially rotate the hip. Now let's go to the muscles of the leg, and I think we'll finish out.